focus on your children and getting there. I know I said I'll be posting a video since last week, but I got really busy those days for home setup and stuff. Thank you for everyone supporting me, and let's go ahead and say the 2 slang words of the day vlog video. And also we're going to know how to pronounce both letters O and R. So let's start with the slang words. Word number 1 is knackered. I'm so knackered today. I've done a lot of home chores. I'm quite knackered today. It means that you're very tired and exhausted. Word number 2 is to be skimmed. It's when someone invites you for cinema, lunch or whatever, and you say, I'm so sorry, I can't, I'm totally skimmed. Skimmed means that you can't afford it, you dead broke, you don't have any money to pay for it. So we've got knackered and skimmed. So let's move to the next point. As I said at the beginning about both R and O. So this is how I created the R and O linked together in a sentence. It's for you children, easy pronouncing. So this is picture. We've got 2 pictures right here. Here's the first one with the girl just getting shot, both hands on her mouth, and says, oh no. And we've got the second picture, suffering a pain, says R. R. Oh no, I've got a toothache. The R here is grammatically wrong. We don't write R, but I just make it up for children. So let me give you an example. And you say, can I have your phone number? So you've got here phone and number. Phone with the O, number ends with the R. So in British accent, the words ends with R, and we didn't say R, we say R. Like see you later, water, Harry Potter, and hair, chair, and so on. For the O, phone, body, alone. And that's it for today's video. I hope you like the video, and if you like, just comment below, and if you have any questions, comment below or send a private message, and I'm going to reply as soon as possible. And thank you again for everyone supporting me, and see you guys later in another vlog video. Bye bye.